So let us start with the marking. The first step, we have to identify where the natural fold is. Now so I have devised a classification for Asian eyelid surgery. In my view, there are three types of Asian eyelids. In one, where there is no fold at all. In one, the second one is where there is a small fold, and a third one where the fold is very deep, but there is excess of skin and fat. Now, in today's patient, I feel it is a category 2. There is a small fold, excess of fat and excess of skin. So we'll identify the fold. Second task is to identify how much of extra skin is there. Please open your eyes. Close. So we can see, just open again. So this much of extra skin will be removed, and what that will create is the effect of a deep set eye like this, and removal of all the extra fat, and he'll have a very nice open eyelid. Same thing on the other. We can clearly see the fold here. So now I have marked out the area of the incision as well as the amount of extra skin. We're going to start the surgery. First step, local anesthetic injections will be given, 3 or 4 of them, not very painful at all. Then we will remove the extra skin, we will remove some of the muscle underneath. Then I will remove the fat, which is the key component here. Lastly, the most important step is putting stitches from the underlying muscle, which is called the LPS muscle, to the skin, and finally the skin stitches. I expect it should take about 35 minutes or so. After the surgery, the patient is not allowed to do exercising for at least 3 weeks. Driving, biking, etc. starts after a week. Rest for 2 days. We need to put ice to reduce the swelling. So every hour, icing for a few minutes on both the eyes. I like to leave the stitches open. Just put an antibiotic cream morning, evening. You can wash your face daily, and you can continue to do your work on phone or laptop. If you wear your glasses, you can even go out, and if you're working in an office, it causes no problem starting the second day onwards. The swelling is a lot for the first 2 to 3 days. It starts to come down by the 7th day, but even at 7 days, it is clearly visible that you've had some surgery. Around 3 weeks time is when most of the swelling has gone away. However, the final the scar will be little red for a period of almost 6 months. That is because we have removed skin, and the upper part of the eyelid pulls the scar up, the lower part pulls it down. So there's a continuous tug of war on both sides of the scar, and that can take up to 6 months. But we've had patients who even after a month, the scar is not visible at all. In some patients, it can go even up to 6 months. So it does not cause any problem. Anyway, the scar is never visible because it is hidden in the fold. It can only be visible when the eyes are closed, and as a matter of practical convenience, we hardly close our eyes ever. We are always open, and we take a very short blink and the eye opens up again. So practically the scar will never be visible.